Level of detail expressions, scoping keywords. When Tableau introduced level of detail expressions, they wanted to give the end users the ability to define their own scope, define how Tableau aggregates your data, and therefore they added 3 scoping keywords: fixed, include, and exclude, as well as a new syntax. In the next few lessons, we are going to see what fixed, include, and exclude does, what's the functionality behind all 3, as well as the following syntax. Again, we are going to explore this in great depth. The key behind this is that we are using curly brackets. That lets us know that, or lets Tableau know that this is a level of detail expression. We have a scoping keyword, either fix, include, or exclude. We have our list of dimensions, and we have an aggregation. So something along these lines. What we're telling Tableau right now is that this calculated field is going to represent the sum of cells fixed at a country level. And again, we're going to cover these keywords. What does fixed mean? It can be replaced by include and exclude. We are going to tackle this in the following lessons, but the key is, as you can see, it's not too hard to write such expressions. So hopefully you're ready. We're going to go through what each of these means, but I'll see you in the next lesson.